అందరికీ అర్థమయ్యేటట్టు కథ చెప్పడానికి ఒక 2 minutes టైం తీసుకుంటాను. ఇది బేసికల్గా హర్రర్ ఫిలిం అయినా కామెడీ హర్రర్ ఫిలిం ఈ జానర్ అయితే, పీరియాడికల్ హర్రర్ ఫిలిం. పేట్రియాటిజం ఉంటుంది, స్వాతంత్ర సమరయోధుడి టైంలో ఒక ఫ్లాష్ బ్యాక్ ఉంటుంది, చాలా బాగుంటుంది ఆ ఫ్లాష్ బ్యాక్ కూడా. చాలా మంచి సినిమా. ఈ సినిమాని రిలీజ్ చేయటం నిజంగా మా అదృష్టంగా భావిస్తున్నాను. చాలా కాలం తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఇంగ్లీష్ సినిమాల తర్వాత డైరెక్ట్ ఈ సినిమాని చేస్తున్నాను. అందరు బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ అవసరం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సత్యరాజ్ సార్, సిబిరాజ్ అండ్ డైరెక్టర్ ధరణీధరన్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీవన్ ఇన్ ద క్రూ. ఈ రైట్స్ నాకు ఇచ్చినందుకు ఐఎమ్ వెరీ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ శరవణన్ సార్, and I wish you more film success from you, and further films also I wish I'll take from you. And thanks all of you for coming here, and once more thanks everyone.
Namaskaram. I am really sorry, I don't know to speak in Telugu. I can understand very well, but I promise for the 100th day function of Dora I'll speak in Telugu. And Dora is a very special film in my career. This is the first time I'm doing a horror comedy film. Actually, if you have seen recent days in Tamil, Telugu, a lot of horror films have come. But this movie has come out really well, and the script is very different, and the making is very good. Special thanks to my director Dharanidharan sir, and cameraman Yuvraj sir, and music director Siddharth Vibin. And special thanks to my producer Saravanan sir for choosing me for the script. And I'm really happy to be here in this wonderful occasion. And this is the first time my movie is releasing simultaneously in Tamil and Telugu, and I believe today they were discussing that they are planning over 1,000 screens worldwide in both the languages. So special thanks to Saravanan sir and Jawahar Babu sir for making this happen. And I've always wanted to work in Telugu cinema. Same as Tamil audience, Telugu audience are also very encouraging people, and they always encourage new attempts. So it has come true today with Dora. So really happy. Special thanks to my father for doing this film. I'm sure that after his role as Kattappa and Bahubali, this film will also be a milestone in his career. And there has always been a special connect with Telugu cinema for me, because my first film in Tamil was the Tamil remake of Student Number 1. And the next film which I am doing is the Tamil remake of Shanam. We'll be starting that very soon. So I request all of you to encourage this film, and special thanks to Suresh Babu Garu and Nagesh Reddy Garu and Chandrabose Garu for coming for this wonderful occasion. Thank you all. Thank you.
Antariki Namaskaram, especially press people, media people who are supporting me for the past 6-7 years. Our music director Siddharth told, and Sibi also told, next time we are going to speak in Telugu. I am telling the same dialogue for the past 7 years. Because the problem is here, most of the technicians and artists, they know Tamil. They speak only Tamil with me. That is the problem. If they speak only in Telugu, no other way. I have to learn Telugu. But all the artists and directors, cinematographers, everybody knows Tamil because they all studied there in Chennai. That's the problem. Anyhow, the lovable audience in Telugu, they appreciate wherever talent is. That's the plus point. First, thanks to Jawahar Babu Garu. You made a fantastic, sir, please, sir, fantastic, this AV and the trailer, teaser and everything. You create a very big expectation. Saravanan sir, you should follow. There is a competition. If we create a competition between two producers, we can get benefit. No, that's why. And the special guest Suresh Babu Garu, Nagesh Reddy Garu, Chandrabose Garu, everybody, thank you very much. This is a horror comedy film. There is a patriotism in this film. That's the main specialty. The making is very good. Especially I want to thank our director Dharanidharan because he is very particular about each and everything. Because in my costume, the material also he select. He went to the shop and select the material also, not only the color. That much he is very much involved. He studied in US direction course. And each and every dialogue and movement is very keen about that. Of course, Sibi, For him, Telugu field only give him a launch because his first film was Student Number One, remake of Student Number One. Now he is going to do Shanam. So always in my beginning period, I did nearly 75 films, and then only I became hero. That time I remake Malayalam films because I can't be a typical hero. So in Malayalam only offbeat films come. So I did so many films, Mammootty and Mohanlal's movies. I did so many films, and I am also expecting this film because for an artist, the biggest plus point and the happy occasion is after I started my career 38 years before. After 38 years, in everywhere I go, nobody calls me Satyaraj. Everybody calls me Gattappa. That's a very big plus point because newcomer means it's okay. For after nearly 40 years, if everybody calling me in the name of the character, so really my heartful thanks to Rajamouli Garu. So the same way this after Dora, everybody may call me Dora. Nobody in India, maybe in abroad also, nobody knows my name except Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu only they knows me as Satyaraj. In everywhere. Recently, one of my cousin went to German and he traveled in a taxi. The taxi driver asked me, from which country you are coming from? He said, from India. Immediately the driver asked him, oh, Bahubali country. That is the greatness of director Rajamouli Garu. It's great, the wonderful thanks for him. So I hope the film will do well because the lyrics and the music sides are Siddharth. Even re-recording, you please, after watching the movie only, you can say about the re-recordings. It's really fantastic. It enhances everything. Every part of the film is enhancing. Sorry, I am not good in English also. The material itself, the other artists, the re-recording, everything. Because if my introduction is Bahubali, instead of Ramya Krishnan, if any heroine calls me Gattappa, what will happen? Because of her voice, Gattappa, that only. If I jump more than that, her voice, that is so in a film, each and everything is very important. So I am very hopeful for this film. So thank you. It's a horror film, no? That's why this. So
Scary moment.
yeah, scary moment because I never watch a ghost film. I'll close my eyes. Really? Yeah. So I hope this film will do well. Thanks everybody for audience, Telugu audience, and the press people and the technicians and everybody. Thank you very much.
Sir, sorry for interrupt Bahubali.
Because director Rajamouli told me to kill Bahubali, I killed. That's all. He told me, sir, you jump from there, I jumped. He told me, sir, you slide down, I slide down. He told me, you keep Prabhas like on your head, I keep it like that. That's all.
నమస్కారం. దొరా మూవీ సినిమాటోగ్రాఫర్ ధర్ని గారు తో పనిచేసే రెండో ప్రాజెక్ట్ నాకు ఇది. ఆయనతో పాటు ఫస్ట్ మూవీ బర్మా చేశాను, ఇది సెకండ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. ఈ మూవీ చెప్పినప్పుడే మంచి ఒక డిఫరెంట్ అయిన జానర్గా ఉండింది. కొంచెం కలర్ఫుల్గా పోతాం ఫోటోగ్రఫీలో, యూజువల్గా స్టాండర్డ్ హారర్ వద్దు అలా అని చెప్పారు. సరే దానికని కాంట్రాస్ట్ కలర్స్ వాడాము. అండ్ వర్కింగ్ విత్ సత్యరాజ్ సార్ అండ్ సిద్ధి సార్ మేక్స్ అస్ మోర్ కంఫర్టబుల్. చాలా ఈజీగా ఉండింది ఆయనతో పాటు పనిచేసింది. అండ్ ఐ థ్యాంక్స్ మై ప్రొడ్యూసర్ శరవణన్ గారు అండ్ ద హోల్ ప్రొడక్షన్ టీమ్ అండ్ జవహర్ బాబు గారు for giving such a beautiful platform in Telugu. Thank you.